Imagine a country where most people were farmers, where riding a bicycle was considered fancy, where having a TV was a dream. Now imagine that same country building more skyscrapers in 1 year than some countries build in a century. This is the story of the fastest economic transformation in human history, and it started with one man making one very risky decision. In just 40 years, China went from dirt poor to the second richest country on Earth. But here's the twist: it almost didn't happen. Let's go back to 1978. China had a big problem. Everyone worked for the government. You couldn't start a business, you couldn't own land, you couldn't even choose your own job. The average Chinese person made about $1 per day. Yes, $1. Meanwhile, their neighbors, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan, were getting rich. Then, a 74-year-old man named Deng Xiaoping came to power, and he said something that changed everything. "I don't care if a cat is black or white as long as it catches mice." Means, I don't care if you use capitalism or communism, just make China rich. Deng started an experiment. He told one small village, "You can keep the extra crops you grow." Before this, everything went to the government. Now, if you worked harder, you got to keep more. Guess what happened? That village's harvest doubled in 1 year. So Deng said, "Let's do this everywhere." But he didn't stop there. He opened up 4 special cities to foreign companies. He told foreign companies, "Bring your factories here. We have millions of workers ready to work hard for low wages." Nike, Apple, Sony, everyone came rushing in. And this is where the money printer went burr. China became the world's factory. If you've bought anything in the last 30 years, there's a good chance it said "Made in China." By the 2000s, China wasn't just making cheap toys anymore. They started building bullet trains, smartphones, and electric vehicles. In 2001, China joined the World Trade Organization. Translation: the whole world became their customer. The results were insane. In 1978, China's economy was smaller than Italy's. Today, it's bigger than the entire European Union. They lifted 800 million people out of poverty. That's more than the entire population of Europe. They built cities, entire cities, faster than most countries build neighborhoods. So how did China become insanely rich? 3 things. 1, they let people keep what they earned. 2, they became the world's factory. 3, they invested everything in infrastructure and education. From bicycles to bullet trains, from $1 a day to the second largest economy on Earth, all in just 40 years. Not bad for a country that everyone thought was too poor to matter. If you found this story fascinating, hit that like button. Want more stories about how countries got rich? Subscribe. Because money doesn't just happen, there's always a story behind it.